Hey guys, my camera's like falling, hang on. I definitely need like a better setup, but I just don't know how to achieve it at this point. Anyway, that's off topic. Today we're going to be trying out the Rick and Morty collection from Glamlite. Now I'm a little bit behind on this one, but who cares? So here is the palette. Absolutely stunning. I'm so excited for this. Like, bam! How stunning are those colours? Obsessed. So yeah, I feel like we're gonna have a lot of fun today. So this collection has a palette. It also has a highlighting trio, which looks like this. So cool. Now this is not my typical highlighter, but oh well. We also have two lip kits. This is the accelerated time lip kit. Looks like that. This one has a gloss and a lip pencil. And this one is the same. This is the Rick hologram lip kit. And this one also has a gloss and a lip pencil. Okay, perfect. Okay. And then the last kit we have in this collection, this is so cool. This is the setting spray. And it comes in a beaker. Like, is that not the coolest thing you've ever seen? I just think that's like, just sick. So cool. So yeah, we're going to try that out today. First things first though, I need to prime the eyes. So I'm going to get onto that now. Do I even have to tell you what eye primer I'm using? It's the Peel base. Okay, I'm so, like, I just cannot believe that I have not used this up yet. Like, look at it. Like that, and it seems like there's still so much product in there. Like, I feel like it's honestly never ending. This has honestly lasted me years. Like, it's actually kind of really crazy. I'd love to know when I very first got the Peel base. I'm pretty sure that I did a video on it, maybe. Did I? I feel like I did. And it was years ago. Alright, let's get into it. I'm so excited. There is just so many awesome shades. Also, we have some little things. Okay, I'm going to be honest. I haven't really watched Rick and Morty. Sorry. I don't even know who's who. I'm not going to lie. Oh, Rick is this guy, obviously. Yeah, that's Rick. So I'm guessing this little thing here, this little man is Morty. So yeah, we've got a little Morty picture there. We've got a little Rick picture there. We have a little UFO picture there. And we have someone in a flower. I don't know who, but it's very cute. This is, ooh, I actually don't know what I'm going to do today. I kind of want to play with like the greens and stuff because I just feel like that'll be cool. So I'm going to take like this kind of like this shade. Look at that pigment. Oh my god, so excited. Let's do it. Okay, so I'm going to take that like first and put it like, I don't know, you know. Is that too close? I think that would be good. Alright, let's go. Pigment. How pretty is this colour? I love greens so much, but I honestly haven't done like too many green looks, if I'm being honest. Green is like another shade that I absolutely love, but it scares me to death. Like, it really does. So yeah. I was talking about this in the Ghostface collection, but it's another reason why I haven't played with this palette yet, because it has just scared me. So yeah. But we've been doing, you know, a little bit more colour lately, which is so crazy because when I first started makeup, like, I was never ever scared of colour. I was always like, yeah, it's interesting, isn't it? Like, I've been doing makeup for so long and it's like I've retreated. I've been seeing like Glamlite's TikToks lately, or Instagram stories, or okay, I don't know, whatever it is, but they reckon that this palette has been like selling out like crazy. Which I do, what's the word? Like, I don't doubt it. Like, it's such a cool palette. Like, it's just so cool. And like, I just think this pigment is like pretty crazy. Like, it's good. But I honestly didn't expect anything less. Alright, let's give that a little bit of a blend. Okay, I literally need to write down like on my like to-do list. So I said this like, I've said it every time that I filmed that I need to clean my brushes, but I need to. It's getting bad. So much of my filming time is just spent like getting old shadow off these brushes. Alright, let's just give this a... Oh my god, I need to see this. Hang on. Okay. Let's give this a blend. Still in focus? Yes. I don't know if this is going to ruin it because there's like this lime green shade that I kind of want to try and blend it out with, but I don't know if it's going to ruin it. Let's do it. Who cares? Did it work? Yeah. It's 8. It's not the worst. There's not like any kind of like lighter greens, you know what I mean? Like this is kind of like the lightest you're gonna get, so just blend, blend, blend. I literally cannot stop sneezing. Alright, now I'm going into like this blue kind of shade and I'm gonna put that like below the green. Oh, this is pretty actually. Once again, pigment, it's just like so good. There isn't any individual shade names either, so. Alright, so that's what we've got going so far. I know at the moment it's like a bit like, but we just gotta trust the process. Right, I'm going back into that like first shade we used. Just blend. I wish there was a colour between like the first green we used and like this, like the last blue shade that we just used, you know what I mean? But in saying that, they honestly are blending into each other pretty well. Like for a blue and a green, like I don't know if you'll be able to see that, but like the blend could be so much worse. So I'm not mad. I'm not mad. The blendability of these shades is just so like, ooh. Glamlite is just another brand that I just absolutely love so much. I feel like I'm always talking about P. Louise, and while I do love P. Louise so much and it is one of my favourite brands, so is Glamlite. Oh my god, I just had an idea. Imagine a Glamlite advent calendar. Whew. I would buy that so quick. Alright, so that's what we've got going on at the moment. Alright, I'm taking a small brush now and I'm going into like this dark green. Actually, is that gonna... Yeah, let's do it. It's really not as dark as I thought it would be. Maybe it's the brush I was using? I just thought it would be a little bit darker. This is probably like the first shade that hasn't looked exactly like it does in the palette, if you know what I mean. I feel like this looks cool, I don't know. Okay, I feel like I'm having a bit of trouble with this dark green shade. It's a little patchy. And like, it's a little bit patchy. I don't know if you can see that. That's okay, it's fine. Alright, let's just do a little bit of blending. It's not the worst, like it's not the worst shade that I've ever used, but yeah. Compared to the others, it's a little bit patchy, and I'll show you what I mean in a sec as well. It's still blending out really nice. But yeah, I just thought it'd be like a little bit deeper and a little bit like stronger, but when you bring it close you can see how it's a little bit patchy and like a little bit lighter in certain spots, so it's a little bit of an odd shade. But still, like I said, it's not the worst shade I've ever used, and it's not going to ruin the look, so. But I do kind of want something a bit darker in the other corner. We do have this blue, but I feel like that'll just absolutely rock everything, so I'm not even going to try. Do we go off and cut the crease? I feel like we should. Alright, I'm going to go off camera. I'm going to quickly cut the crease, and then I'll be back. Okay, I've cut the crease now. Let's have a look at the shimmers. I haven't even honestly really looked at the shimmers in here. I'm really excited. I reckon there'll be some really pretty ones. Ooh. Look at that. How pretty! Yeah, okay. Now, normally I go for something like, normally I'd go for something kind of like this, quite pretty. Oh, that's actually real cool. That's like duochrome. I feel like we should go for something a little bit different though. That is so pretty. I feel like I can't use it though because it'll just blend in with the look too much. There's also, there's so many pretty ones, guys, honestly. There's like this kind of purpley one. I really want to do a series. What series should I do? Oh, that's cool. That's like a black kind of one. Now, I'm thinking that there's like a orange, or there's like this gold. Would the orange completely ruin it, or could that be like a vibe? You know what I mean? I feel like I'm just like, I feel like I always do the same kind of stuff, so I kind of want to just change things up a little bit. Should we just do it? Who cares? Honestly, at the end of the day, like, if it turns out bad, I've done plenty of bad looks in my life. I didn't realise this brush was like double-sided. I'm scared, but I think I just want to do something different, you know? I actually don't really know if it's a vibe or not, but oh well. I might have ruined things. Oh well. Oh well. I feel like I've been doing makeup for long enough now that sometimes I feel like I've done everything, you know what I mean? Like every look. So I'm just at a point where like I want to kind of try new things. I'm gonna take a bit of like the gold shade as well, like the gold shimmer. Put that like on the inner corner and blend it in a little. Alright, let's take that dark green shade again and try and blend it into the shimmer. Okay, with some blending I feel like it really doesn't look as bad. But you know what I'm thinking? I feel like if I put this like dark green shimmer on and blend that also into the orange, that will look better. Let's give it a gear. Call me crazy, but I think that looks cute. Like, I know it needs a little bit more blending, that's fine. But I feel like I don't hate it. It's honestly kind of cute. I kind of like it. Alright, I'm gonna go back into the orange. Do like a little bit more blending. I feel like a nice liner is really gonna pull this together. That would have been cool to see as well, like some coloured liners in this collection. I feel like that could have been really cool. Alright, and just to finish everything off, like, super strong, we're going to take... Oh, it's not... Yeah, we're going to take this, put that, like, in the inner corner. Look at my hand. I'm going to make this, like, real obnoxious in the inner corner, you know, like that. I'm not going to lie, I kind of like it. I feel like it's different, you know, it's not your usual kind of, I don't know, I kind of like it. Alright, I'm gonna go off camera, I'm gonna do liner, lashes, all that good stuff. We'll come back, we'll try out the setting spray, the highlighter palette and a lip kit. So yeah, I'll see you guys soon. Okay, so this is how we are looking, and now it is time to try out the highlighter palette, which I'm really excited about, kind of. So this is how it looks here. It is really, really pretty. Like the packaging is super cool. Like that. And then these are the shades that we have on the inside. So we have Anomaly, Cosmos, and Uncharted. So this is I can't say it. Anomaly. Then we have Cosmos and Uncharted. So these are the 3 shades there. They're so cool. I want to switch them, but I'll do them here. So yeah, hopefully you can see. Now, I think today we're gonna go for this middle one, which is called Cosmos. So let's do it. Now this is not my typical kind of highlighter, but obviously I bought it knowing it was this kind of like, what are they called? Like, joy chrome, I guess? Are they? Yeah, they're kind of joy chromey, I think. Alright, let's give it a go. Cosmos. Cool. Is that showing up? I can't tell. I can see it like in my mirror. It's like, oh, what do you call it? Like subtle, I guess. Not subtle, like glittery, so it's not like super like glowy. Let's try a different brush. Yeah, that's cool. I kind of want to try the blue one as well, but I feel like it'll kind of ruin our look. But I want to know, like, I'm going to put a little bit of the blue one on my nose. That is kind of cool. Let's put it on the cheek too. Oh yeah, I like that. Definitely not my typical, obviously, highlight, but it is pretty cool. I feel like this isn't really a typical kind of look anyway, so that's cool. That's cool. Alright, next we have the setting spray. So this is the box it comes in. Cute. And then this is it here. It looks like a beaker. It's actually so cool. I've used it a couple of times when doing my makeup like today, because like in between like layers and stuff. It smells real nice. I don't know what it smells like, but it kind of smells like perfume. So anyway, just shake it up and give it a go. It smells like something. I don't know what though, like I've smelt it before. And it's also called the Rick Dependence setting spray, which is so funny because it doesn't say anywhere on the box that that's what it's called. But it says on the actual little thing. Alright, I'm gonna go do my hair, add a lip, and then we will be back to finish the video. Okay guys, so this is the finished look. Let's just quickly go over the lip kits. The one that I used today was the Accelerated Time lip kit. So this is how it looks on the inside. I'll just do some quick swatches, which I don't know where I'm going to do that because my hand is literally full. Alright, that is the lip liner there. And then show the gloss. This gloss is real pretty. And I just love the container. I don't know why this feels so luxe. So yeah, this one's kind of more, I guess, the more neutral, I guess, one. So there it is there, the gloss and the liner. Then we have the Rick hologram lip kit, which I'll have to try out in a different video, but we'll quickly do some swatches. Alright, I'm gonna do this one up the top. So this one is like purple. I will say they come like super sharp, and then this happened when I used the other one as well. The very teeny top of the actual lip pencil like snaps off. Oh my god, I just tried. They're like very creamy, I guess. So yeah, you have to be careful. They're super delicate. Yeah, I didn't want to use this one today. I feel like it would have clashed with the look. I honestly feel like this lip kit doesn't really match the look that I've gone for today that well either, but it would have been better than the one I'm about to show you. So that is the swatches there of the Rick. We have like a deep purple and then a like beautiful purpley gold gloss. Alright, let's get into thoughts. I love this collection. I'm not gonna lie. I think the palette is absolutely stunning. It is such a pretty, fun palette. Like, I just feel like it's stunning and yeah, obsessed. I love this. I think it smells real nice. I just wish I knew what it smelled like, because it smells so familiar. I'm not gonna lie, I love it, but then there's a little part of it that makes me feel sick. So I'm like, is it something from my childhood? Like, I just don't know. Love the highlighter. Not my typical thing, but I feel like it's actually super fun, and I do honestly like it more than I thought I would. And as for the lip kits, I think they're really pretty, and I'm really excited to try out that lip one. Was that everything? I think that was everything. Yeah, so thank you guys for watching this video. Let me know if you've tried this collection. Let me know what you thought of this look. Just leave all your thoughts down below. But yeah, I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.